Text fading blur animation in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the CapCut application on your device and then open up the project that you want to add the text fading blur animation on. So I've already selected a project over here, and as you can see I have already added a text as well. So in order to add the text fading blur animation, what you can do is just tap on the text over here and then tap on animations at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on that, you'll be able to see different options related to this animation that you can possibly add on to the text. So just scroll down and you'll be able to find the option of blur. So scroll down again and here you can see the option of blur, and you can add the intensity or just maintain the intensity as well over here. As you tap on the blur option, you can just scroll and swipe it to the other sides and see if you can add the timing as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.